Hello and welcome to my channel and today's video. So if you're a blonde, then you know how hard it is to keep your hair not yellow, not brassy, and not dull, right? Right, I know. So today's video is going to be all about the #1 product that's worked the best for me to keep my hair nice and light and bright and the exact tone that I wanted. So if you're interested in finding out all about that one product, then go ahead and keep on watching. I've literally tried everything from shampoos to conditioners to masks to treatments to literally everything under the sun, and this is the one product that has worked the best for me throughout the whole time that I've been blonde, and also throughout the time that I've been the various 50 shades of orange and strawberry blonde as I transitioned from like a dark deep red to this color now. And that is the Aura mask. Now this is actually a personalized hair care system, but I just order the mask most of the time. But basically you go on and you take a quiz about what your hair is and what you want your hair to be, and they create specific shampoos, conditioners, and masks for you. Now the beauty of this is that in the conditioner and the mask, you can do a pigment. Now this can be a neutralizing pigment, or it can be any kind of fun pigment, like fun colors, like I've done purples and corals before. There are shades to kind of maximize the color that you already have, so like you can do a red or a purple or anything like that. But I personally went for the neutralizing, and I did this mask during my strawberry blonde days when my hair was still kind of more on the brown side, and I have been using this mask ever since I got this bright of a color, and it has been amazing. So to talk more about the neutralizing pigments, they have 3 different shades. They have the purple one for blonde hair, the blue pigment for brown hair, and then a green pigment for dark brown to black hair. These neutralize unwanted tones. Now do remember that your hair has to be blonde, and any piece that isn't lightened can't be transformed into a different color. So this is definitely to cancel out any tones that kind of happen as your hair is wearing down from that toner that your hairdresser applied. So it's not going to lighten you past that. It's just going to remove all of the colors that you don't want in your hair. I'm going to be inserting a little bit of before, the process, and the after in this video, but basically I wash my hair, I towel dry it, then I will put this product all over my hair. Like basically kind of like the way that you would dye your hair, this is how you're going to use it, and you put it all over your wet hair. You can do it over dry hair, but then you are more likely to get splotchiness where your hair is a little bit more porous than other areas, and that will soak in the product more than others. So I like to do it over wet hair, clean hair, and I let it sit up to 10 minutes. If I'm not having a super existential crisis on the shifting of my color, I will sometimes mix this in with my conditioner and kind of work it in my hair and wash it out in a couple of minutes. That's really good maintenance, but definitely for when you need like a big boost of neutralizing color, then do this, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then rinse it out. For me, this does a wonderful job hydrating and neutralizing any unwanted tones. Now, when you take your quiz, you're able to select your top concerns for your hair and then also go in and like adjust what you want your mask to do. So you could like make it give you more volume to your hair. You can make it repairing. You could make it moisturizing, whatever you want. Mine is like extra hydrating because when you have lightened hair, your hair gets a little dry. So any moisture that I can get is the best. I'm also going to pop up all of the ingredients of my specific mask up here, which the brand gives you full access to literally everything that is in your shampoo, your conditioner, and your mask. And for me, the goal was moisturizing, and it's very high. The mask retails at $28. Obviously, you can buy this bundled with a shampoo and a conditioner. And I do have a discount code for your first order, so definitely check the description box to get, I think it's like 20% off your first order or something like that. So definitely take advantage of that. I really like the shampoo and the conditioner, but I think this is definitely the standout product. I don't know of any other brand that has this ability to add a pigment into your conditioner and also your mask. If you don't want to sometimes just do the mask, you can absolutely just drop that neutralizing pigment into your conditioner and definitely keep up with your hair every time that you're washing it. So that's all that I have to say today. I hope that this product helps you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.